Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a project template here in Basecamp. So first up, log into your Basecamp account, and then once done, whether you want to create a new project or you have an existing project, just basically click on it and make sure that you are under the projects dashboard. Now in here, go to the top right and you have the three dots. Click on it, and as you can see here, you have the Save as a Project Template option. So just click on it. Now go ahead and name this template. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'd like to name it like Sales Template. Okay. Add in a description. Only use this template for sales operations. Like so. If you want to include people, like if you have to-dos and cards available in this specific project, all assigned people to those to-dos and cards will be assigned to the project template, if that makes sense. And this also applies to events and check-ins. Tick on it if you want to. If not, if you want to refresh or if you want a fresh start by just using the template, untick it. Include comments or no. And once that's done, just hit on Create Template and you're good to go. It says here, edit this template like any other Basecamp project. When anyone creates a new project using this template, we'll copy everything over. Now when you go to Home right here and add or create another project, you'll have the option to click on Use a Template and just click on the drop down and select the Created Template. And then after that, Create Project. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.